Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. If you're not new, welcome back. Haven't uploaded in a while. I've been on my weight loss journey. I've already lost around 8 pounds. And I've been documenting like what I eat in a day and stuff like that. So you guys will see what I eat to lose the weight. But right now, I have a business meeting, so I have to get ready fast. I have like, let's see what time it is. I have 14 minutes to get ready. Yep. Alright. So first I'm going to do my face serum by Rosa X Bella. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm just going to have to wing it. I think I used most of this one. If you guys don't know, this is from my brand, Rosa X Bella. We will be relaunching soon with a bunch of new like skincare products. Of course, made by me. If you get breakouts and stuff, these serums are awesome, but I don't know if these serums are being a new launch. So we had a really big order, and the person that ordered bought most of the inventory, which is why we closed down. So for a restock, because we're going to be putting new products. So, but this smells amazing and everybody loves it. Especially if dry skin or acne, it gets rid of it, which is crazy. Alright, I need a foundation. I might just not wear foundation today. I'm just gonna go with mascara. I'm gonna use my phone as a mirror, so I literally don't have time. Okay, you can see my phone. So how have you guys been? I'm using the L'Oreal telescopic mascara. It's bomb. I probably should have done my eyeshadow first, but I'm like in a rush, so I'm like scatterbrained. But this mascara is bomb, like it's so easy to use. Like, look at that. So bomb. It's hard to hold my phone and use the mascara at the same time. What mascara are you doing? But yes, I've just been working out and losing weight, eating healthier. I cut out all fast food, all sweet drinks, and stuff like that. Like, I just cut it out. I was like, forget it. I was sick of fast food anyways. I need to lose this weight. My makeup might not look perfect because I'm in a rush. But the meeting is basically, I joined a talent agent. So I guess we're just going to be discussing stuff. They help me get brand deals and stuff like that, which is more content for you guys to see, which is good. Because I be running out of ideas, which is why I hardly post now. But with sponsorship videos, I know a lot of people don't like them, but I don't see why not. Like, it brings content for you guys to see, which is good. So hard to do this. I need foundation. Hold on. I have 10 minutes. 10 minutes, okay. And with the face serum, you don't have to use foundation if you don't want to. I mean, not foundation, primer, which I'm not gonna do. I'm gonna use this concealer for foundation. This is the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in Chai. I'm just gonna try to use this because I don't know where my foundation is. My phone has a mirror. My serum makes sure foundation goes on so much easier. It's a cream serum. Bomb. I've had all good like feedback from the face serums. People love it. Literally. Like, oh my gosh, like, it's really good. Even people with like mature aging skin, like they love it. Like they absolutely love it. Which is good. This foundation is so I mean this concealer is so yellow. But I don't have a choice. My daughter should be home for school soon, so if she runs up, I'll have her say hi. So yellow. I forgot I had mascara on. Oh my gosh. It's yellow, but it's not that bad. Alright. We're gonna do some eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Amuse Professional eyeshadow palette. This one right here is so pretty. This is what it looks like. I wish I knew where my mirror was. Oh, there's a mirror on the eyeshadow palette. I don't need my phone anymore. Yeah, eyeshadow brush. Alright, we're gonna go in with Secret and Sunset. So this color and this color on the outer corner. Take this plastic off. But yeah, I miss you guys. I really do miss you guys. It's just, it's so hard to film these days. But now that Abella's started school, and it's not regular school. Like she's homeschooled at her uncle's house. His wife is certified by California to teach preschool at home. So she teaches Abella with a couple other little kids, you know, her cousins and family friend kids, stuff like that. So she loves that because she's a people person. Y'all know I'm an introvert, like complete introvert. And I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with copper ink. It's just this one right here, super pretty. I'm definitely gonna put some translucent powder because this concealer that I use as foundation is making me so shiny. And you guys know, like I have super dry skin, so I don't mind having dewier skin, but it's like super heavy. I'm not into it, so I'll go under with Sunset. My lower lash. So Adrian's parents are picking up Abella. I'm gonna fix my mascara. So wish me good luck on this business meeting. I don't know what's going to happen. Hopefully all good stuff for the channel. And I also have a haul video to upload from Yes Style, so I'm excited by that. A skincare video for fall. So that should be uploaded soon also. It's so hard to get this mascara back in the tube. Okay, do some blush. Of course, Juvia's Place, you guys know. I use the same blush every time. A little bit of towel and Yara. I just don't want to look like a bum for this meeting. What time is it? Ooh, I have 4 minutes. We move a little faster. A little highlight, Zabu or Zoba. Same palette. I hear my daughter, she's home. When someone says mama, they're talking about Bella, so I hear her grandma talking to Bella. I still need to change shirts. Okay, we're gonna do lips. Let's do lips. I'm gonna use this palette, this by Italia Deluxe. It's a Sexy Trio Satin Lipstick set. I'm gonna use red. You guys know red is my go-to for every look. Doesn't matter what my look is, I'm always gonna wear red. And hurry up because I gotta jump on Zoom. I gotta change my shirt. Okay, let's take this hair down. Probably pop on the headband just to look more put together. I haven't makeup done. It's gonna be hard to put this on. Let me do this. Fix it. I gotta go. Okay, push my hair back some. I didn't do my eyebrows. Oh wow. And then change my shirt. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the look. My eyebrows aren't done. I'm probably gonna do them real quick off screen. I have 2 minutes to join. Alright, bye guys.